transforms a different face. Crazies, it's your geek friend Savvy, and welcome back to my channel and the 5 days of Christmas, the 5 days of Christmas, the 5 days of Christmas. Sorry. So for today's video, we're going to transform into a snow melted masquerade. A masquerade mask of a snowman. A melting snowman, might I add. I'm attempting to make it a melting snowman. Is it a melting snowman? It's a melting snowman in my brain. Anyway. This video is loosely inspired off of Lex's Made You Look transformations of both her snowman and her melting diabetes snow ice cream tutorial. Yeah. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Can you tell? I'm not doing it properly. In fact, I barely followed the tutorial, but it was inspired by her transformation and I really did want to try painting. But let's get started with the tutorial. I'm moving a lot in this video, but that's because I'm trying to get myself together and I'm not together. Moving on! So, if Mama Lex has taught me anything, it's that I need to outline first. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be a fail because I am basing this off of 2 of her transformations. Wish me best of luck! So what I am doing first is I am with a brown eyeshadow, because apparently if you use black it will not properly show up, especially if you're just trying to do it for a YouTube video. I'm going to outline the curvature of where I want my snowman to melt, because apparently if I try to outline the actual melting circles it won't work right and it will be too much time, and who has time for that? I have to go into work in the morning. Moving on. Next, I am taking my cream white makeup and I am basically going to be drawing the little icicles, rephrase, I'm going to be drawing the little ice droplets dropping down my face. I'm just going to draw the droplets instead of the whole dwarvature, because according to Mama Lex's ice cream makeup tutorial, it's a lot easier to just draw the drips first and then add the little swivels inside. Makeup art 101. So to save myself the pain later down the line, I am also outlining my eye and I'm also outlining my brow, because later on we are going to decorate that brow. Oh yeah. What do I want then? I want my eyeliner. That's what I wanted and I thought I threw it in here. I just worked with this. How in the world have I lost it already? Good old Savvy losing everything she ever wanted for her makeup tutorials. Nice! So what I'm doing is I'm creating a nice little cute little cat eye, sort of, because I'm not that great at makeup. Not that good at makeup at all. And I'm just creating a nice little cat eye on the glamour side of my face. Red paint, whether it be the crappy craft paint that you got from freaking Party City, or some better paint that you got from Walmart, or some actual paint, if you're a real live makeup artist, you're going to basically paint your brows a nice shimmery red color. We might be giving off a clown look, but I'm going to try my hardest not to, because the way you achieve the next step is to give your brow some snow, because snowmen are out in the snow all the time and the melted snowman needs some snow. What? I don't know.
Hi there, Editing Savvy here. So I completely stopped actually teaching you guys and I just started getting more artistic. But what I'm doing here is I'm creating this coal eye. So with a black and a gray eyeshadow, that's what you're using. You're going to create a smoky cat eye effect as well as you can, because again, we're not good at makeup. Then using some glitter, we're going to use white glitter. You might see me with blue glitter. Use white. It looks so much better. You're going to just use the glitter on the corners of your eyes to give even more of a snow effect. It looks so cute, guys. Use the white. Then moving on from that, we are going to create our coal lips. Honestly, just outline your lips in black and then fill it in with the rest of black, because we need to make sure we have coal and dramaticness on the glamour side. We need drama on the glamour. Drama. Okay, moving on. So from here, I'm putting my art skills to the test and I am putting a shadow up under the mask, because if we're wearing a mask, we're going to have a shadow. It makes sense, right? Okay. From there, we are going to draw the carrot. So with an orange, we're just going to outline the carrot shape that we want and then fill it in. Then using a shadow, you can either use brown or black, whichever one you prefer. I'm using brown. You're going to draw the indentions of the carrot going across. Basically, just draw like little lines going across the carrot nose. That's all you need. That's all you need. Mama Lex did, and I'm going to do it too. Yep. To finish off our lovely little snowman, we're going to give him the rest of his mouth. So on the mask side, we're going to draw 3 little circles in black, because unless you are using something else to give your snowman some mouths, we're going to use black. I mean, some people have made like licorice or sticks or other things, but we're going to use coal. We're going to use coal. We're going to use coal. Okay? Okay.
I'm not. Oh my god, I got paint in my hair. Ah! How you doing? Haha. I'm kind of like half and half. It's not bad. It's not good. It's like in the middle. There's room for improvement, and I'm excited. If you guys like this tutorial, please share this video with your friends and subscribe, because I am making new videos just like this moving forward. No, I'm not. It's just part of the 5 days of Christmas, but I am going to be making new videos kind of similar to this. So I hope to see you guys for the next 5 days of Christmas video. I'll catch you beautiful crazies in tomorrow's video. So, peace, love, and happiness. Love on.